Hello everyone, this is channel, and in this video I will show you how you can set custom ringtones on Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s. So before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to set custom ringtones on A02 or A02s, just follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.